Hello everyone. Today we will making a code for GPT in pictoblox using Python language. GPT means generative pre-trained transformer. So this is the coding for GPT. Now I am going to run the coding. Here you can see the question, what would you like me to answer. Now we can ask the simple question for the to Toby. Now I am typing the question. What is CPU?
CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the primary component of a computer that performs most of the processing inside th. E-computer. It is often referred to as the brain of the computer. The CPU interprets and executes instructions from the compute. ER's memory performs arithmetic and logical operations, and controls the operation of other hardware components. It is responsive. Play for carrying out tasks and running programs, making it a critical part of a computer system.
Like this, we can make a code for GPT. Thank you.